Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to unpin a message on your Telegram channel. Whether you're managing a community, sharing updates, or simply cleaning up your chat, knowing how to remove a pinned message keeps your channel looking organized and up to date. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Head straight to the channel where the pinned message is located. This could be a message you pinned earlier, or one shared by another administrator. You'll notice the pinned message displayed right at the top of your chat window. Next, tap on that pinned message at the top of the screen. Telegram will take you directly to the exact spot in your chat where the message was posted. This makes it easy to manage older announcements without scrolling endlessly. Once you're on the pinned message, all you need to do is tap on it once more. A small menu will appear on the screen, offering several message-related options. Look through that menu until you see the option labeled Unpin. Now simply tap Unpin. In an instant, the message will disappear from the top of your channel. That's it. You've successfully unpinned the message. The chat itself stays intact, only the pin at the top is removed. If you ever change your mind, you can pin another message the same way, keeping your channel focused and updated for everyone. This updated process for 2025 works across both iOS and Android, as well as on the desktop version of Telegram. It's simple, fast, and takes less than 10 seconds from start to finish. And there you have it, a clean, clutter-free channel ready for new updates or conversations. Remember, keeping your pinned messages fresh is a great way to make your channel look professional and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.